Work-from-home jobs for freshers offer an excellent opportunity to start a career with flexibility and convenience. These roles, often in fields like data entry, customer service, content writing, or digital marketing, require minimal experience and provide a chance to build skills while working remotely. For beginners, they can serve as a stepping stone to gain professional exposure and grow in a comfortable environment. Work-life balance. Work-from-home jobs offer the flexibility to manage your time and personal commitments more effectively. Career growth. WFH jobs can be a stepping stone to advance your career, gain valuable experience, and build new skills. Financial independence. WFH jobs provide an opportunity to earn a living and contribute to your financial goals. WFH jobs allow for flexible work schedules, making it easier to manage other commitments. Working from home can be more comfortable than traditional office environments. WFH jobs often save money on commuting costs and attire. Distractions. Working from home can be challenging due to distractions, like household chores or family members. It requires discipline to maintain focus and productivity. Loneliness and isolation. WFH jobs can lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness. Building social connections with colleagues and establishing clear boundaries is important. Blurred work-life boundaries. It can be challenging to maintain a healthy balance between work and personal life when working from home. Setting a dedicated workspace and sticking to a schedule can help. Technology. Software development, data analysis, cybersecurity, and IT support are high-demand fields with abundant remote opportunities. Customer service. Many companies are transitioning to remote customer support teams, handling inquiries and resolving issues via phone, email, or chat. Finance. Financial analysts, accountants, and financial advisors can find remote roles in areas like investment banking, wealth management, and accounting. Marketing and sales. Remote marketing and sales professionals can contribute to digital campaigns, social media management, and lead generation. Virtual assistant. Provide administrative, technical, or creative support to clients remotely. Content writer, editor. Create engaging and informative content for websites, blogs, and social media. Social media manager. Manage social media accounts, create content, and engage with audiences. Online teacher or tutor. Teach subjects online to students of all ages and levels. Tech savvy. WFH jobs often require strong tech skills. You'll need to be comfortable with basic software programs, video conferencing platforms, and online communication tools. Time management. WFH jobs require self-discipline and strong time management skills. Set clear boundaries between work and personal life to avoid burnout. Communication. Effective communication is vital for WFH jobs. Being able to articulate ideas clearly and concisely is key, as well as actively listening to your colleagues and clients. Online job boards. Websites like Indeed, FlexJobs, and Remote.co specialize in remote job listings. Company websites. Many companies advertise remote positions directly on their websites. Networking. Connect with professionals in your field through LinkedIn and online communities. Freelancing platforms. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer short-term projects and gigs for freelancers. Highlight skills. Tailor your resume to the specific job description, showcasing relevant skills and experiences. Quantify achievements. Use numbers and metrics to demonstrate your accomplishments and impact in previous roles. Keep it concise. Limit your resume to one page, focusing on the most relevant information for the target position. Research the company. Understand their mission, values, and recent news. Practice your answers. Prepare for common questions and rehearse your responses. Choose the right setting. Ensure a quiet, well-lit space with a neutral background. Calendar apps. Tools like Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar help you manage your schedule and avoid scheduling conflicts. Communication tools. Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom are essential for team collaboration and communication. Cloud storage. Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive provide secure and accessible storage for files and documents. Administrative tasks. Virtual assistants provide administrative support, including scheduling appointments, managing emails, and creating presentations. Customer service. Many virtual assistants handle customer inquiries, provide product information, and resolve issues. Social media management. Virtual assistants can help businesses with social media marketing, creating content, and engaging with followers. Freelance writing. From blog posts to website content, there are countless opportunities to create engaging and informative pieces for various clients. Editing and proofreading. Ensure the quality and accuracy of written materials, including articles, books, and marketing materials. Content creation. Creating engaging content, including posts, stories, and videos, to attract and retain followers. Community engagement. Interacting with followers, responding to comments and messages, and fostering a positive community. Analytics and reporting. Tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, analyzing data, and generating reports to measure success. Subject expertise. Share your knowledge and skills with a global audience. Flexible schedule. Set your own hours and teach from the comfort of your home. High demand. The online education market is rapidly growing, creating numerous opportunities for teachers. Basic skills required. Strong typing skills, accuracy and attention to detail are essential for data entry jobs. Excellent communication. The ability to follow instructions and ask clarifying questions is vital for success in data entry. Computer proficiency. Familiarity with basic software like Microsoft Word and Excel is often required. Phone support. Answering customer calls and resolving their issues. Email support. Responding to customer inquiries and complaints via email. Live chat support. Assisting customers with real-time chat on websites. Visual communication. Create logos, brochures, websites, social media graphics, and more. Remote flexibility. Set your own hours and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Portfolio is key. Showcase your skills and experience to attract potential clients. Troubleshooting expertise. Solve technical issues for clients over the phone, email, or chat. Flexible schedule. Set your own hours and work from anywhere with a reliable internet connection. Strong communication skills. Effectively communicate technical solutions to clients in a clear and concise manner. Showcase your skills and experience. Connect with professionals in your field. Share valuable insights and resources. Expand your reach. Connect with people in your field to learn about opportunities, gain insights, and receive support. Build your network. Attending industry events, joining online groups, and reaching out to professionals can open doors to new possibilities. Gain valuable connections. Networking can lead to mentors, collaborators, and even potential employers who can help you advance your career. Time blocking. Divide your day into specific blocks for different tasks. Schedule time for work, breaks, and personal activities. Flexibility is key. Leverage the freedom of remote work to adjust your schedule based on your productivity and personal needs. Clear boundaries. Set boundaries between work and personal time. Establish a dedicated workspace and avoid working late into the night. Set goals. Clearly defined goals provide direction and purpose, making it easier to stay focused. Break down tasks. Divide large projects into smaller, manageable tasks to prevent feeling overwhelmed. Regular breaks. Step away from your screen periodically to recharge and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Stay updated with new skills, technologies, and industry trends. Enroll in online courses, workshops, or certifications. Engage with online communities and industry forums. Job title. Average salary, USD. Virtual assistant. $15,000 to $30,000. Content writer. $20,000 to $45,000. Social media manager. $30,000 to $60,000. Online teacher. $25,000 to $55,000. Set boundaries. Designate a workspace and set clear work hours to avoid blurring lines. Schedule breaks. Regular breaks can help maintain focus and prevent burnout. Prioritize self-care. Make time for hobbies, exercise, and social connections. Unrealistic offers. Be wary of jobs promising extremely high pay for minimal effort, especially with upfront fees or investments required. Unprofessional communication. Avoid companies that use unprofessional language, lack proper websites, or have unclear hiring processes. Thorough research. Research potential employers, check online reviews and job boards, and use resources like Glassdoor and Indeed to verify legitimacy. Many individuals have transitioned into successful WFH careers. A recent graduate, Sarah, found a remote content writing job and quickly built a strong portfolio, leading to freelance opportunities and a thriving career. Another example is John, who started as a virtual assistant and leveraged his skills to become a marketing manager for a growing startup. Continuous learning. Stay updated with industry trends and skill development. Networking. Build relationships with professionals in your field. Set boundaries. Create a work-life balance to avoid burnout. With careful planning and dedication, working from home can be a rewarding experience. It's a great opportunity to learn valuable skills, gain professional experience, and launch a successful career.